Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. It's Wednesday the 7th of August 2024, back at Anfield Road for another update on the expansion progress. There's going to be limitations on this one unfortunately because of a no-fly zone with what's been going on in the country of late. I'm not going to talk too much about that in this one, but I will be flying. I've just got to be very careful where I fly because the Anfield Road stand is just outside the fly zone, but if I hover over to the pitch then I'm entering the no-fly zone, and the way the police have been at the moment, there's a lot of anger, everyone is on high alert, there's a lot more protests planned, another 30 apparently from the far right. I've got no control over that, I'm just trying to stay out of it. I'm just trying to make a second living by my YouTube channel. I have been on the phone to Merseyside police, I've been trying to see if I can fly and enter this no-fly zone. They did pass my query on to the drone unit, supposed to have been calling me back, but they didn't. So I'm going to fly, but I'm just going to stay outside the no-fly zone. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. We're going to check in on the panelling. At the start of the week, it was just about getting finished off. The last few panels, I believe, were just getting put in. The wall is taking shape behind me. It's pretty tall. I'll show you quickly. That's how tall the wall is, the new one. I've just got a section to pull on the top of. As I said, there's limitations where I'm going to be able to fly because of the no-fly zone, but we'll get in what we can. So without further ado, let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne, and like I said in the intro, it's a very big limitations where I can fly on this one. Anfield, 3/4 of this stadium is in a no-fly zone. I cannot hover over that pitch or I will be arrested and my drone will be confiscated. We will start to the right. I can go up to the main stand, only the side of it, but I can't go past. I just wanted to have a quick check on that windowsill. I don't think it's been done. I'm going to go to a sport mode because it's a bit windy today. I haven't been here for like 6 days because I have been out the county. I've been in Birmingham for a couple of days. And you can see that windowsill still needs to be sorted. There won't be anything else to see on this one. It's like a fairground behind me. I'm not focusing on that. And as you can see in the fan zone areas, they put the lettering up. So I'll drop down a little bit. Fan zone number 2 there. Fan zone number 1 there. As I walked past, there was platforms up in the air, so there is work going on inside of the fan zones. Obviously there's quite a lot of work going on and there's a lot more bodies about today. I'll just have a quick check on the panel situation, whether it's fully done. They're just finishing off at the beginning of the week, like I said. And it looks brilliant, doesn't it? All the new paneling, all in place. And they finish off the section where they started first, all these little holes. I won't hover over the pitch, like I said, because that is a no-no. Top end is looking good. And the groundsman's carrying on doing his work on the pitch. It's a shame I can't check in on that tear join up, but I'm not taking no risks. I'm not here to get arrested. I'm here to do an update. We'll just have a quick check on the situation underneath that window. don't believe anything has been done with it. No, there's still the gaps at the top there, as you can just see. It is really windy. I am in sport mode, that's why the camera's swinging around quick. And you can see how big that wall is. You had a quick look on the intro, but they've got a lot more to do on the section lower down. There's a lot of cement in them tubs there. I don't know what those guys are up to there. I can fly there. I'm not in the no-fly zone. I'll fly and have a look at what they're up to. It might be a drain or something. But if I go past the Shankly gates, I'm dicing with danger there. I was talking to some people looking for their forever stones, and they were disgusted when they found it. They were not happy with the quality. Unfortunately, because all the lettering's gone, and it is what it is. They're going to complain, but it's just sad. It is very sad. We are going to climb, and the no-fly zone that's been put in place, I will pretty much give you the gist of how big and massive it is. So when you scroll up and see the whole of, well, not the whole of Merseyside, but a lot of Liverpool in that picture right now is the no-fly zone. What you're seeing right there and carrying it over the water as well is no-fly zone for drones. I am right on the edge here. Goodison Park behind me is not in the fly zone, but Bramley Moor is. And the zone ends just pretty much where the pitch ends. That's why I cannot go over. I think that cherry pick's been stuck there a good long time, hasn't it? So yeah, I took a risk flying today. They didn't get that back to me. I do everything above board. I always have done when I'm flying a drone. It's going to drop down a little bit because the wind is starting. You know, I made a courtesy call to Merseyside Police to inquire. They were good about it, but they didn't say yes and they didn't say no. They said they'll pass it on to the drone unit. I understand they could be busy with inquiries and whatever, but I've only got a time limit. I can do this, so I'm flying. I know I've not entered the no-fly zone from where I have been on this one. We checked in on that wall, we checked in on the panelling. It looks really good. The copper end is looking good. Tiny little jobs are going on around Anfield. Unfortunately, we can't see the tier join up because that would mean me breaking the rules. And the tensions are high in Merseyside and around the country, so the police will be cramping down on anything, on anyone. I mean, I will always stick to the laws of this country. I'm a law-abiding citizen, always will be. Anyway, we're going to end this one there. If you like what you click like, share, subscribe. I will be back Friday. Unfortunately, on Friday, I will not be able to fly over the pitch again then either. This fly zone will be staying in place until the 12th of August. But like I said in the intro, there's a lot more protests planned, at least 30 by the far right. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for getting me over 3,000 subs. There was supposed to be a special video being done. It is going to get done. It's delayed because I cannot fly around Anfield. It's about all 4 stands. It's 4 videos merged into one special on each stand. And obviously with this blockade, the no-fly zone, I can't film it yet. So it'll be worth the wait, but thank you for getting me over 3,000. This will be dedicated to the ones who have supported me pretty much all the way through. This is for you. Thank you. Keep an eye out for that soon. Let's just hope this fly zone disappears. Let's just hope the country gets back to some kind of normality soon. And I'll end by saying rest in peace to those 3 little girls who were sadly taken. You're the ones who I'm thinking of. You're the ones that matter, and the families, you're the ones that really matter. And that's where I'm ending the video. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Push me, push me, push me. Thank you so much all. Enjoy the rest of your day and evening. Bye for now.